Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 in an elevation or base trim and powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine, I believe, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean as well, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. So plenty of cargo room inside of the cab as well, and fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And looking at the front of the vehicle, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. So now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 102,513 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the left hand side you have your cruise controls, and your little info screen here is controlled by this little dial and button. So you have your digital speedometer, your trip mileage, fuel range, so distance to empty, fuel economy, and tire pressures, oil life, transmission fluid, engine hours, and your settings for your units. Blank screen, and there you are. To the left of the steering wheel you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto, and your lighting controls, or your headlight controls, I guess. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, or no, not CD, sorry, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You also have other apps such as your Bluetooth phone controls, settings, OnStar help, and projection and gallery, which are kind of unique in their own way. Moving on to moving down from your screen, actually, shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from your screen now, you have your physical media and climate controls here, and below that you have your traction control shut off and your box cargo lights, so there's that. And below that you also have a 12 volt and a 115 volt power outlet, I believe, and a compartment here for storage. Moving on to your shifter real quick is a column shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders, 3 cubbies, and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious and has 2 USBs, auxiliary, and another 12 volt power outlet inside, so you can plug something into power charge or just hook up your audio that way. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you also have another lockable compartment, which is just above the glove box, so there's that. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.